Aloha guys, Dr. Thomas back. Yes, I've returned once again. Today we're going to talk about ethics. Ethics are real important in healthcare. So we're reviewing the PowerPoint for Chapter 8, Introduction to Ethics. Distinguish between law, morals, ethics, and etiquette. Appraise the impact of economics in the making of ethical decisions. Analyze conflict between personal and professional ethics. Discuss the importance of studying ethics. Develop a thought process for making ethical decisions. Okay, ethical dilemmas. Found in every aspect of healthcare delivery, study of ethics is related to, yet distinguished from, the study of law. Ethics. Study of ethics is grounded theoretically in philosophy, defined as the pursuit of wisdom, which is what philosophy is. Ethics is derived from the Greek term ethos, meaning custom, usage, or character. Bioethics. Bioethics deals with ethical implications of biological research and applications, especially in medicine. Medical ethics. Legal and ethical issues. Ethical dilemmas in medicine occur when the enforcement of law does not appear to bring about justice. There is no obvious right or wrong behavior. Right behavior appears to have the wrong effect. Personal sacrifice is the consequence of following ideals. Okay. Morals. The word moral is sometimes used as a word of praise. Morals are recognized as principles of right conduct. Right moral conduct is based on traditional religious teachings found in Judeo-Christian, Buddhist, Islamic, and other traditions. Okay. Etiquette. Etiquette is the socially acceptable procedure for interacting in society and changes with the times and with the community. Etiquette does not require moral understanding or ethical reasoning. Etiquette is based on societal norms, morals, customs, and beliefs. Okay. Code of medical etiquette. There's protocols that exist. Politeness, proper dress, courtesy, telephone etiquette. Okay. All these things, guys, are real important. You may not think so, and I'm just kind of going along here reading them because this is not my area of expertise, although I'm very much in agreement with all this. But, for example, unless somebody gives you a really bad time, I mean, you need to be courteous to patients and so forth. Use proper etiquette on the telephone, that sort of thing. Be dressed properly with scrubs or whatever the acceptable dress is, that kind of thing. Ethical environment of healthcare. Our economic system is based on supply and demand. To regulate the healthcare system, when demand exceeds supply, the cost determines who could afford services, access to what services. The President's 1983 Commission report. Let's see. Society has a moral obligation to ensure equitable medical care. I very much agree with that. Equitable health care implies that medical care is a right. The United States, guys, is the only advanced or wealthy industrialized country that does not have universal health care for all of its citizens. We've talked about that before. Defining health. The World Health Organization excuse me, defines health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. So it's a lot more than just not being sick at the moment, guys. A state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Healthcare and medical care. Preventing illness with inoculations. I think is that misspelled? Against communicable diseases is important to the whole of society as well as to the individual. And nothing can show that better, guys, demonstrate that better than right now. We're going through the COVID pandemic, the second year of it. And we're having a lot of problems with people who, for different reasons, refuse to get the injection for it, in spite of the fact that several 100 million have been administered and it's been spectacularly successful. So I don't know. In matters of prevention of illness by controlling diet, smoking, exercise, driving habits, stress, and the like, there's too much subjective personal preference. Yeah, but it's hard to get people to comply, guys. But then again, you can't order a person, and make them follow your demands on their behavior either. Private choice versus common good. Increasing the number and ensuring coverage to a large number of people can require certain restrictions, including limiting a patient's choice of medical providers. Usually a short time to choose, you have a short time to choose a primary care physician. Few opportunities to change a primary care physician. Yeah, that largely, guys, depends on the insurance policy. Importance of studying ethics. Skilled healthcare practitioners know the patients and understand the risks involved in certain procedures. It is important that medical providers develop their own understanding of ethics. All right, and that's ethics, man. Now, guys, I've got 2 more to record, and this one only had 15 slides, so I zipped through it pretty fast. So, look over it. All important stuff. I mean, definitely there's a place for it all. Very much so. So Dr. Tom's going to sign off, and we'll catch you on the next video.